Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a closer look at a tiny but fascinating freshwater invertebrate, the scud. You might not have heard of them much, but these little critters play an important role in aquatic ecosystems and can even be a great addition to your aquarium. So stick around as we dive into the world of scuds and explore everything you need to know about them. Did you know that scuds are often called the garbage men of aquatic ecosystems? These little amphipods are scavengers, helping to clean up decaying plant material, algae, and organic debris. By breaking down this waste, scuds play a crucial role in maintaining water quality and supporting a healthy environment for other aquatic species. Scuds are small crustaceans typically found in freshwater environments. They have a shrimp-like appearance with a flattened body that can range in color from translucent to shades of green, brown, or gray. Scuds are usually quite small, measuring between 1/8 and 1/4 inch in length, although some species can grow a bit larger. Their bodies are segmented with a curved back, and they have multiple pairs of legs that allow them to move quickly through the water or across surfaces. One of their most distinctive features is their laterally compressed bodies, which give them a side-to-side flattened appearance. This makes them excellent swimmers and able to dart around rapidly when disturbed. Scuds can be found in a wide range of freshwater habitats, including ponds, lakes, rivers, and streams. They tend to prefer areas with plenty of vegetation and organic matter where they can feed and hide from predators. You'll often find them in the substrate or among plants where they blend in with their surroundings. Geographically, scuds are widespread, with different species found all over the world. They can thrive in a variety of water conditions, from clear, oxygen-rich streams to more stagnant and nutrient-rich waters. In fact, they're often used in bioindicators, meaning their presence can give scientists clues about the health of aquatic ecosystems. Scuds are scavengers, meaning their primary role in the ecosystem is to consume decaying organic materials such as dead plants, algae, and detritus. This helps keep the environment clean and prevents excess organic matter from polluting the water. In addition to scavenging, scuds may also feed on small microorganisms or consume biofilm that forms on rocks and plants. Their behavior is primarily nocturnal, and they are very active at night. During the day, they tend to hide among the plant matter or in the substrate to avoid predators. They are also highly adaptable and can survive in environments where other invertebrates might struggle, as long as there is plenty of food. Scuds are known for their rapid, jerking swimming motions, which they use to escape from threats. Their quick movements and ability to dart from place to place make them difficult for predators to catch, though they do fall prey to fish, amphibians, and other larger aquatic animals. If you're considering keeping scuds in the aquarium, they can be a great addition, especially if you're looking for a live food source for your fish. Scuds are easy to care for and can thrive in most freshwater aquariums with stable water conditions. They prefer tanks with plenty of live plants and hiding places, as they like to scavenge among foliage. Scuds can coexist peacefully with many small, non-aggressive fish species. However, keep in mind that larger fish or more aggressive species may view scuds as a tasty snack. In a breeding or shrimp tank, scuds can make an excellent cleanup crew, helping to remove excess food or organic debris. They can reproduce quickly in captivity, especially in tanks with abundant plant material and biofilm. In fact, you may soon have a thriving colony of scuds if conditions are right. Just be mindful that overpopulation can lead to competition for resources, so occasional maintenance may be necessary. Scuds are highly valued in the aquarium world, particularly as a live food source for fish and amphibians. They are nutritious, protein-rich option that stimulates natural hunting behavior in many species. For breeders, scuds are also useful because they help maintain water quality by breaking down leftover food and organic waste. However, there are a few things to be cautious of when introducing scuds to your tank. Due to their small size and their rapid reproduction, scuds can sometimes outcompete other invertebrates for food. Additionally, they may hide among the plants and substrate, making it difficult to control their population once established. If left unchecked, they can overpopulate and become a nuisance. That's it for today's introduction to scuds. These small but mighty invertebrates are fascinating, low-maintenance additions to many freshwater tanks, helping to keep your ecosystem clean while providing food for fish. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you next time.